So it's been a fairly eventful week in financial markets. The biggest theme really that's moved things like euro-dollar interest rates has been the re-emergence of the prospect of monetary policy divergence between the United States, the Federal Reserve, and really the rest of the world, in particular the ECB. So last week we had the European Central Bank very strongly suggest that it's seriously looking at increasing its quantitative easing program. So this is a fairly predictable move from the ECB. We know that inflation is well below target. We know that it has a far narrower margin of error to work with than the other central banks. So really it's very understandable that their strategy at this point seems to be to throw as much liquidity as will stick at the Eurozone. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, the Federal Reserve in the United States has pretty firmly indicated in its latest monetary policy statement that it does intend to tighten monetary policy in the near future. So this is actually quite significant because that view has been challenged in recent weeks by a minority of the voting FOMC members, most notably Lael Brainard, who argued that it was simply too risky to raise interest rates in the near future. So this dovish view has been discarded, it seems, or at least shouted down in debate in the FOMC, because the latest FOMC statement does seem to support the idea that interest rates should go up in the near future. This is premised on the idea that slack will continue to diminish in the US economy, particularly in the all-important labour market. So really this all leaves November as a pretty crucial month for US data in particular. We've seen US GDP growth in the third quarter come out slightly shy of expectations, but still showing a somewhat satisfactory level of growth in the economy. So data releases to do with areas like consumption, construction, and of course the all-important non-farm payrolls release will really be what the Fed is looking for to either confirm or challenge its current consensus of rate hikes in December.